The routine for mature skin focuses on 4 key principles: cleansing, moisturizing, protection, and regeneration. The root cleansing. Start with a gentle cleanser twice a day, morning and evening, to keep your skin fresh without stripping it. I recommend Gel Douceur, which maintains hydration while cleansing. Once or twice a week, depending on your skin sensitivity, use a deeper exfoliating cleanser like Gel Pureté to remove dead skin cells and boost radiance. Step 2. Moisturize. Apply daily a high-quality moisturizer suited to your skin needs. Hydration is key to maintaining elasticity and glow. Step 3. Protect during the day. No routine is complete without sunscreen. Daily UV, pollution and blue light exposure accelerate aging, so use a multi-protection formula like Lotion Multidéfense every morning. Step 4. Regenerate. In the evening, incorporate a vitamin C serum to brighten and protect your skin from oxidative stress. The Sérum Alpha Régénérant helps stimulate collagen and improve skin texture. Mature skin isn't just about looking younger, it's about being healthy and radiant.